students, now we are going to learn about mean of a grouped data. Okay, mean of a grouped data. The mean is nothing but this, I told you, average. Mean is nothing but what is average or arithmetic mean. Just recollect the knowledge of class 9. Here x1, x2, x3, so on xn are observations. x1, x2, x3, so on xn are observations, and f1, f2, f3, so on up to fn are frequencies. Then what is that means is, here frequency is x1 is occurring f1 times, x2 is occurring f2 times, x3 is occurring f3 times, then xn is occurring fn times. Clear, children? Now we know the formula. Mean is equal to, mean is the sum of observations by, or sum of the terms by number of observations. Sum of the terms by number of terms, or sum of observation by number of observations. That is the formula. Okay. Now using the frequencies, how to write this one we will see now. Here first what we have to do is, x1 is occurring f1 times, x2 is occurring f2 times, x3 is occurring f3 times, so on xn is occurring fn times. First we have to find sum of these all terms. Yes, x1 f1, sum of observation, that we have to write. Clear? Sum of observations. Here x1 f1, first one, plus x2 f2, multiplying here, plus x3 f3, so on up to plus xn fn. Then what is here? Number of observations. What are the observations in this? Here observations are f1, f2, f3. This is the frequency we have to select. Add that one also. Number of observations, that is number of observations. Here number of observations. How many? x1 is how many times occurring? f1. That we have to select f1, and here plus f2 plus f3 plus so on plus fn. Yes, here mean is denoted by, mean is denoted by x bar. Okay, then x bar is equal to, what is the formula? Sum of observation by number of observations. This is all from class 9 we are learning. Sum of observation by number of observations. That means, what are the sum of observations here? x1 f1 plus x2 f2, so on plus xn fn, divided by number of observation. What is number of observations here? That is f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus so on is equal to, we can write this n also. That is the number of observations. Clear? Then write here f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus so on plus fn. This all can write in the short form mean, that is the mean formula. How to write in short form is, this whole thing is what is? Sum of the terms. Then I am writing here sigma. This is the Greek letter. This is sigma. Sigma is also called summation. Summation means sum of the terms. Sum of the terms. Fi xi. Then what is I? I is equal to 1 to n value. Here 1, 2, 3, so on. What is xn? That I value is 1 to n, divided by denominator. What is f1 plus f2 plus f3, last up to plus fn. That is sigma. Sigma means summation, sum of all terms. I is equal to 1 to n, that is sigma fi, because only we have f terms in this frequencies. Then still we can write short form sigma fi xi by n or sigma fi. This is the mean of a grouped data formula. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Remember children, this is the Greek letter That means summation, sum of the terms here. Sigma fi xi all terms and denominator sigma fi, that is f1 plus f2 plus f3. If you can write in the form of n also, number of terms, sigma fi xi by n. N is nothing but what is again sigma fi. Students, now we will go for one example. The question is, find the mean of following distribution. Here x value is given and frequency given. Okay. X value 4, 6, 9, 10, 15. Frequencies 5, 10, 10, 7, 8. We have to find mean. Just now we know the formula. What is the formula? X bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by n. N is nothing but what is the total observations. This one. Okay, first add this one. 10 plus 5, 15, 25, 32 and 40. This is the n, or you can say sigma fi also. That is total number of observations. How it is? Here 4 is occurring 5 times, 6 is occurring 10 times, 9 is occurring 10 times, 10 is occurring 7 times, 15 is occurring 8 times. What we have to find first of all? Sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi later we will find. First we have to find fi xi value. Fi xi. This can take as I and this is I. Fi. Xi fi. Okay. What does that mean? Multiplication. Just we are multiplying. 4 5s are. That is 20. 6 into 10. 60. Just we are multiplying fi xi. 9 into 10. 90. 10 into 7. 70. Then 15 into 8. 15 8s are 120. Clear, children? Now we will go for addition. What is that? Sigma fi xi we have to. Sigma means what is I told? Sum of the terms. Sigma is nothing but summation of the terms, total terms. It is a Greek letter. We'll find this one first. Sigma fi xi. Adding all the terms here. Clear? 20 plus 60, 80. 80 plus 90, 170. 170 plus 70, 240. 240 plus 20, 260 plus 100. It's a 360. Total 360. And this value we know already 40. We know the formula. Just applying this. What we are finding? Mean. Arithmetic mean or average of the given data. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi. What is sigma fi xi value? 360. 360 is divided by, what is n value? 40. 0 0 cancel. Cancel with 4 table directly. 4 9s are. Then x bar is equal to 9. What is here? Therefore, mean of given data is equal to, what is answer? 9. Students, now we'll go for the second example. The question is, if mean of a following data is 6, mean already given. That means x is equal to, what is here? X bar is equal to 6. And find p. Here p plus 5 is given in the value, x value. We have to find the p value. Okay. First, the given data is 2, 4, 6, 10, p plus 5. And frequency is 3, 2, 3, 1 and 2. That is given. What is the missing term here? P. P we have to find using the mean formula. Just now we did, what is the x bar formula? That is the mean. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi xi by n. Or you can write as sigma fi also. Clear, children? We will find out now. What is the step 1 in this? Here have to find first fi xi. Fi xi. Find out that first. We have to multiply x value and f value. 2 3s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 6 3s are 18, 10 1s are 10, and a p plus 5 into 2. We have to multiply separate. It's a rational number and this is the variable. Multiply it. 2 5s are 10, right? First 10, then again 2 into p, 2p. Don't add this one because it's a variable and one is a number. Not possible to add here. Clear? Okay. Now what is the next step? Sigma Fi xi we have to find and n value. First add these terms, n value find out. N is equal to 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Clear children? 5, 8, 9, 11. Now we'll go for this one. Adding sigma Fi xi. 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 18, 14 plus 18, 32. 14 plus 8, sorry, 42, and 42 plus 10, 52. 52, again here number, 52 plus 10, 62. Sigma Fi xi is equal to, what is 62 plus 10. Clear children? Sorry, 62 plus 2p. Just I will add again, we'll check. 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 18, 14 plus 18. What is answer? 22, 32, 42, 52.